Hi, I'm Joseph from BSHM A022, and today I'll be sharing something that really stuck with me from our subject. This is just a lesson. It's a shift in how I think and see things. The best lesson I learned, the most powerful takeaway for me was yung naggawa ng mga journal video. Like, ito yung ginawa ko yung nakaraan. Then, I stood out because it was practically surprising, practical, eye-openingly relatable, extremely challenging. Made it unforgettable was how it opened my eyes to a new idea and changed how I handle situation, give me a better understanding of something I once struggled with. Dito kasi mas nalubos sa intindihan ko kasi favorite subject ko talaga siya. Then, the impact of me, since learning this, I've noticed changes in how I think, make decision, deals with others, plan future. It helped me grow not just in this class but also personally. Real life connection. For example, I use this lesson when gagala, ganyan, like specific situation or experience. It can be from school, homework, or even an unexpected moment. It helped me handle things from confidently and with more clarity. Mas nakakatulong siya sa akin kasi yung natututunan ko dito, nadadala ko siya sa bahay, sa ibang lugar. Kumbaga, mas lalo ko nagiging parang hindi ko alam yung term, parang ganon. Mas na-encourage ako lalong alamin yung mga calabarzon. Kasi mas nasa-satisfy ako pag naintindihan ko yung bakit nila ginagawa yun. About history din natin, this past decades. Then, I'm grateful to have learned this and excited to carry it forward in my journey, not just in academics but in life. Thank you for listening to my reflection.
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa